Greetings, 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 and welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Now we're doing a series on the teachings of Jesus. So if you want to hear more about what Jesus did I teach the people them when he did I walk on earth, just follow it. And if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then do me a favor, please. Click the like button. Leave a comment and share this video with as many friends as you can. And of course, if you haven't done it yet, I invite you to click the subscribe button and the notification bell as well. Because when you do that, you will get notified whenever a new video is posted. 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Matthew chapter 13 from verse 53 to verse 58. Now when Jesus done talk all of them Tory will sound like wriggle, he move from there so. When him catch a Nazareth, where him come from, him start teach the Jew them in a them church. The people them couldn't believe their ears. Them say, oh, the man is so wise. And where him get the power to do them miracle there? Wait, no, the carpenter boy this. No Mary mother name. And him brother them, I know James, Joseph, Simon, and Judas. And all our sister them no live right here so with we. And where him get all of them sitting here from? And so then did Bex and they want deal with Jesus, none at all. But Jesus said to them, say, people ever respect and big up prophet, you know. Only the people them when born and grow monks and who him live with, no show him the respect there. And so Jesus never do no holy miracle there so. Cause the people them name believe in him. God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.